You need 5 110 centimeter long cords and a cinnamon stick. With your cord folded in half, place your looped end over the cinnamon stick and reach through and grab those cords. This is the lark's head knot. Attach the other 4 cords in the same way. Take the third cord over, hold it to the right, take the next cord, take it over top, around the back, through that opening, and then pull it up. This is a half hitch knot. Take the next cord, take it over top, around the back, and through the opening. Take it again, take it over top, around the back, and through the opening. This is the double half hitch knot. Take the third cord over, hold it to its left, take the next cord, take it over, around the back, and through that opening. That's a half hitch knot. Take the next cord, take it over top, around the back and through, and another time, over top, around the back and through. This is a double half hitch knot. When you wrap this cord once, it's a half hitch knot. When you wrap this cord twice, it's a double half hitch knot. Take the third cord over and do a half hitch knot. So the next cord over, around the back and through, and you're just doing that once. Take the next cord and do a double half hitch knot. So over, around the back and through once, over, around the back and through twice. Take the third cord over, hold it to your right and do a half hitch knot. Take the next cord over and do a double half hitch knot. Take this cord over, around the back, and pull. Take this one now, take it this way, over, around the back. Pull this one to the left while you pull this one to the right. And you've made a point for your heart. Now take this cord. We're going to hold it on the same angle as this part of the heart. Take the next cord and do a double half hitch knot. Take the next cord and do a double half hitch knot. And the next cord and do one more double half hitch knot. Now take this cord and do the same thing going to the left. Now join these just like we joined the heart up here. Now take this cord and do one double half hitch. Now take this cord and kind of tuck it behind this one. Now with the next cord, we do a double half hitch wrapping both of these cords. Now take this cord, join it with these two, and then take the next cord and do a double half hitch. Take this one, join it with these 3, and do a double half hitch. Now do the same thing from the right to the left. Now take the outside cords, take the left one over all those middle cords, take the right one over that, around the back and through the opening. Pull that to the top and make it nice and snug. Take the right cord over those middle cords, take the left cord over that, around the back and through the opening. And you have finished it with 1 square knot. And now cut the ends to the length you like.